Papa, we breaking news at Remo. Say, Kennedy Japan amayati asiye. Say Prophet Bedukubi edi Jantoa akọ ma nkrofo say yemfandre Kennedy Japan. Enu hunti Kennedy Japan say we seize fire. Expose ana why na say we be expose Prophet Bedukubi no we twaso. Kennedy Japan when bra won Prophet Bedukubi kontokwa and we more have their little thing and they are very huge thing on social media depending on how you see it now. A lot of people were waiting because Kennedy Japan Mayeti has said, "Well, with Bedukubi with this week and this week we are not just saying for the more details. Ebefa Bedukubi huaba. We are not just saying we are next week. Nanka what they call Obinim so. Oyobisa said na woni Obinim so ntokwa ban eneba asani ni na say nkrofo bi ekotwitwa Obinim video bi a wo ye ya wo kasa se wo ni coronavirus eduro. Nkrofo bi kotwitwa video ni sieni e ma no yese na Obinim eka se wo coronavirus eduro saa de no ye analysis e breaking it down mamuni amote ase na Kennedy Japan so ekohwe saa video na nkrofo ne ye a wo mo kan se Obinim wo coronavirus eduro no and Kennedy Japan without doing much investigation into the thing went on to blast Obinim e won two Obinim so nibufu ye eba abontin ebe didi Kennedy Japan atema enya atem didi ketua e ho na Kennedy Japan sanso ba ya wo be blast Obinim tre se wo Obinim me de ba oso me expose you nkrofo sika wakoje nkrofo gold wakoje me expose you ama wehu utilanga na phone ya twen se Kennedy Japan be ba expose you Obinim iti ye wo na Obinim because Kennedy Japan ka say Obinim we bleaching nyama ye wo na Obinim sanso e dey reply by but this time around replier also for Obinim e dey buy no it was very mild in the sense first time I was dey buy na Obinim or did Kennedy Japan attempt but the second time Kennedy Japan by replier wo ka say we be expose Obinim no Obinim was cool the Obinim be kan say Kennedy Japan wo dey me pe wa sempa nanso asema wo ka fa me ho no na enye ne kre enu hunti na me ba nti na ya akoye say Obinim is coming out to say Kennedy Japan wo dey yentwa so even though Obinim didn't say those words no clearly senior the donation senior wo buy unlike the first one who be say he wanted to cease fire but he just wanted his point to get known now Obinim be ka ansem no still near the hwe nim because Kennedy Japan Mayeti as say wo wi a wo be ko Obinim so Ena Obinim me dey I think last 2 days me the story bi bramo say Bishop Obinim ne nkola ne junior pastors ne nipa ba ko a wo translate so Obinim kasa wo twi wo asori ade wo translate e ko brofo mu ena wo sofo Kelvin ono ena wo yesofo na wo free Reverend Obofo ho a wo ko Obinim camper ebeda na nsem bebre wo Ghana no aha wo mutu no kwotena Obinim TV so etwa bi ma Kennedy Japan wa enya asem ketwa na me be kasa wo sa asem ne so say Ghana ha say memfa say we ye madamfo so enkodi obi a wonye wo hweyatem na Ghana we misconstrued the term loyalty me be kasa asem no Kennedy Japan wa ba bonten ka say Obinim di janto aba Obinim ni na me nkrofo so ka say wo sre Kennedy Japan say na Kennedy Japan na ka say wo be expose wo no Obinim no wasre no Kennedy Japan entwa so eno ene sema Kennedy Japan wo dey aba bonten ye ni Obinim Bishop Obinim ye ni say wo no de obi ka asemfa ne na enye ne kra wo be ba be reply ye ngo tie sema Kennedy Japan kan na he gave a warning was Obinim say wo pacho me ma wo kola no emba mbedi matem ye ngo tie mra
odi dwa to akoma wo ye intino I don't want to disgrace them but you know I woman can chire wo mo chitafo because Obinim hwe ade chi anopa the way a Oman FM fo enyina e pacho ene
oh yeah Oman FM
yeah enyina e pacho ni sofo panyini baako e ko me nyonko e friend George e di achopa komano say me seize fire then when we listen to a year
another a year
you see oh yes sir when you send people to me behind the scenes I will not take it because obi our reputation to maintain
exactly
And me a situation where Rebecca say, can a Japan or can't someone with any evidence or on trial. Obinim, meaning any problem, but ni one kasa nchire no sa koye o kasi insinuation na no kasa no sa je chinyi pictures come the pictures ye wi am di bechiro ni girlfriends pictures here and I get the contacts from Belgium everywhere
all over
but they are hold on ono aso pacho on kasa nchire ni nkwala anu ono aso ko TV so e cast insinuation me yetwini metitwi I will come back and I will come back hard, very explosive.
Hard
information a ekura me wahano. But me mpese me say obi aka sem chira wunti oye bibi atwinhwa ubon say waseme de kura no difo. Nti I'm holding the fire now. Yin so opebasem.
Why ya?
Your brother is saying Obinim, you should talk to his boys. Mankasa here. Oh, Franco for Pacho. Now, boys, need radio, so need TV, so nobody can use me as a toy. Who tries to use me as a toy? And then now, or Jim, and come be you a Barbie picture. Actually,
so
yeah, or Jim, come you a Barbie picture. And the connection came all the way from Belgium.
Wow.
The man hint Belgium. But a ceasefire. The only workers in now, so yeah, Juma. No bia no po bia sorry o ni yesre so anya then you can't have right hand men
exactly
because of Oman FM4 any George Otibonsu ni mpemfo e kono ni edi and ono aso pemasem me seize fire but you should advise ni nkofo edi nachi say omo ye say menu mo ba be say kotobonku say mo ba be patch behind the scenes na mako social media revelations am be ba no kwade ana me ped that day I was laughing and I said or dare me intinenka me be koso about the latter part no, how he ended and you know I have forgiven him any problem
Inti Kennedy Japan say aside say enkrofo ana wo bi ni me ko enkrofo ho ankrofo no e de dwanto a ebre Kennedy Japan no wono ankasa le workers a woni omuye adwuma e wo Oman FM wo mo friend de bia say yesre wo bi nim de wo ye ya ye nipa me can say the first time Kennedy Japan ka say sisi a wo le be ko obi nim so no it was on Oman FM na host ne kra ka trend say Kennedy Japan yesre wo bi nim de wo ye MPP pastor wo de call the so a e be ha yen me kai pan host na e ka sa atre no now asemini why is it that these pastors if indeed what Kennedy Japan eka tie in some Kennedy Japan akana a subject to the response of these pastors ayabo mudin e betumi aba ne say prophet beduko bi beba abonti abetre say in some Kennedy Japan kan ne oboa because Embra beduko bi reply to Kennedy Japan in some Kennedy Japan be kan first beduko bi ka say who Kennedy Japan you can't defeat me it is a subject to a yes I so for you say o meba abonti abeka say dabi asema Kennedy Japan we ka say ye de dwantro akomo obi no eye ntro ejesa na said ye Kennedy Japan can if we are to go by in someone where they are to dwa na tre say in so for way omo consider a defeat na the me person me bisa na say especially with we be in India no and beduko bi mpo de wo de wo ba abonti ma yete ya say nya ne crew na ye bi mu ye ta wo beduko bi echi no ya wade obi nim so de no mpo obi nim mpo de na kra ensema Kennedy Japan ka fa wo ho video wa kasa fa so no na a misconception obi nim you were right there but se won nim se won ye bone na se nia Kennedy Japan ne kasa wakoji obi gold wo ba be expose you wako yese wo ba be expose you wako yeso wo ba be expose you se won nim se entra just like o reply no be ka say entra no nim say entra why are you going behind the scene and begging Kennedy Japan? That's one thing I want Obinim to come out to explain. If indeed a correct and someone Kennedy Japan they can say Obinim esre bonifacha.
aden e na obekọ abonten ana obekọ echi akosre Boniface efi Kennedy Japan ho if indeed the Kennedy Japan e kana eye ne kre se wonim se wonye boni bia. And my next thing also goes to Kennedy Japan. People believe in Kennedy Japan. Na Embra Kennedy Japan ka say wo be expose obi nim no. Nkofo de omo rare e she Kennedy Japan mu say at least obeke bia momo. Kennedy Japan akasa be ka say people are sending him audios and videos or they be expose obi nim. So now obi nim about patcho na Kennedy Japan e say yeti ase say he's the voice for the voiceless no. What of the people are in quotes if indeed they say obi nim ebu omo what of those people? So because Obinim has come out to apologize and actually say Kennedy Japan wouldn't expose Obinim any longer. Into a more body of more share Kennedy Japan who said Obe expose Obinim ama womo saka womo nyama said in previous Obinim ayo mubukata if indeed something like that went on. Not as they'll feel disappointed by the actions of Kennedy Japan. Today no who said Dabi and Kennedy Japan he's not really speaking for the voiceless. Because if indeed he's speaking for the voiceless, he will not mind. Say Obinim Eko Pacho. Because Obinim Pacho and Pacho, the voiceless there, they are still there. I don't know whether they make an emotion here there. But Montreal Mwadrin our comment box motive for me that's it.